Welcome, quick video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Eventbrite event private. Alright, and it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and log into your Eventbrite account. Now once you're in here, go to home right here in the left pane, click on it, and you will be landed to this exact page. Alright, now just go ahead and select the event. For example, this one right here, I'm just going to click on the three dots besides the event, then go ahead over to edit. Wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the left pane again, right here, alright, and just go ahead over to publish. Click on publish, and again, wait for the website to load as it is pretty slow, alright. Now, what we're going to do in here, in the center of your screen, just go ahead and scroll down, all the way down, until you find this section right here, publish settings. Is your event public or private? If it is set to public, just go ahead and click on this radio button right here that says private, shared only with the select audience. Alright, choose your audience. It could be anyone with a link, or click on the drop down right here. If you prefer only people with the password, click this one and just go ahead and type in your password right here. For example, 123456789, then just hit on save. Wait for it to process, and as you can see here, another drop down. Will this event ever be public? If no, just keep it as is. If yes, go ahead and tick on this other radio button. Yes, schedule to share publicly, and it could be tomorrow if you want to. Alright, as you can see here, it is March 10 right now. If you want to publish it tomorrow, go ahead and do that. At the time right here, just click on the time, and there will be a drop down. And just go ahead and select your preferred time, for example, 12:30 p.m. and hit on save. Alright, wait for the process to finish. And it's done. And that's basically how you make an Eventbrite event private. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.